What makes bird bones so special? Well, most have something called pneumatic bones. This means that their bones are essentially hollow, with little bone supports scattered throughout to help strengthen them. This has a few benefits to the bird. Hollow bones are lightweight, which is great for flying. These bones can also be important for respiration, as quoted directly from the Great Wiki to ensure 100% accurate terminology. Respiratory air sacs often form air pockets within the semi-hollow bones. Basically, helps them breathe. So cool.